Let's take a look at adding another plugin. This time we're going to add in a plugin which shows the latest videos from our YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and create that one. So under our plugins folder, we're going to add a new block, and we're going to name this YouTube. Then I'm going to hit plugins and pick from IFTTT integrations. That's if this then that integrations. It's a third-party service which puts together what they call recipes to deliver different types of content to users. So in this case we're going to use YouTube. And then it gives us some instructions. So the first thing we must do is register on if this then that. So if you don't have an account there, click this link and then create an account. Okay, then you're going to copy this URL and you're going to open this link on if this then that website. Okay, now there's one thing I have to explain here. You might not see this box. If you don't see this box, then you have to click up here, this maker icon, and activate maker. So the first thing you must do is activate maker. So if you don't see this, box, go and activate maker, and then go back to Chatfuel, click this link, and then you will see this input box. So what we want to do then is paste that into there, and we want to pick add. Okay, then we're all done with that. We go back to Chatfuel, and we now must link that up to a button. Now I've had some problems here, and one thing I want to make clear here now is that you are limited in the number of buttons and the number of blocks that you can put in different areas. Facebook only allows one welcome message, so you can't add anything. You see there's no add button down here to add other menus, so you're stuck only with 3 buttons that you can use here. So that means you must make sub menus in order to get to other types of content, which we have done. We've already made a view products. I took away the go to our website button here, and I thought we would put in here the YouTube if it shows up. But you see it doesn't show up. And this is also a problem that I've noticed. I believe it's a bug in Chatfuel, and hopefully they will fix it. Because I think if we go up here, then we see YouTube. So that means you must move them around a little bit. So you must play around with your buttons. So right now, in order to get around this bug. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put view products here and link that up to our products, which we have called choose your category. And then up here, let's edit this one and call it YouTube. And I've noticed this also down in the other blocks, so it's just something that seems to be a bug at the moment, and hopefully it will be fixed in the future, but right now this is the only way I could see to work around it. Okay, so then we'll pick YouTube here since it shows up here. But we have to make sure we get rid of this one and click our check mark. Let's just check under this one if YouTube shows up. Now you see YouTube shows up down here. So it's kind of a strange thing. I'm not sure really what's causing that at the moment, but this is the workaround to get it to show correctly. But let's leave it as that for now. Now we have our button linked up and our YouTube recipe here. So there's one other thing that we must do, and that's if we go back to the YouTube plugin, it says add new content to channel and check if it works. Okay, so what this does is only deliver new content to the user. Once the user has seen it, then it's no longer new to them and it won't show up then. So what we need to do is upload a video to our YouTube channel. Okay, I have a video ready to go here. And I'm going to go ahead and publish this one as soon as it's done uploading. Okay, now it's done uploading, so let's pick publish. And let's check to see that it works. Yes, it's working. So now in a moment it should be available to our users in our chatbot. So let's go back and check that then. So let's go back here. Let's reload this page. Let's do test our bot. Let's pick YouTube. And then we must wait a little bit for it to show up here. Okay, it took a while for it to show up in our chatbot, and that's just something that you have to live with, that it does take, it took me about, let's see, 7-8 minutes before it showed up, and I had to go and pick YouTube here several times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times actually before it showed up. But let's see, if we pick it again, then it shows up, and if I click it, it will go out and show my video then. So that's how you can add the latest videos from YouTube into your chatbot. It's not perfect, but okay, I think if you use a little bit of intelligence, you can make it work for you so that it would be something useful for your users.